Hey guys, today I'm going to be mucking around on my motorbike, just riding around down the back of the property and just having some fun on all the hill climbs and everything. And so you guys know, all the hill climbs and everything I do, it's all about 3 times steeper than it looks on the camera. But it's also really slippery at the moment, so it's going to be really fun and I'm just going to have a great time doing it. So I hope you enjoy the video. Looped out. Oh well. Hopefully none of the levels or anything work. That's fun. I was like trying to get it to stall because I went too far and I didn't have my foot on the rear brake. Right, so I'm just gonna come down here and then start it. Not starting. thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.